Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Debbie, Deborah, whatever you're gonna call me. Basically today I'm gonna be telling you guys how to sell and how to do stuff on Vinted. But I have my tripod right here, can't be asked to do anything with that, but I'm gonna be making a video on how you can sell stuff on Vinted and how you can be successful with it. And yeah, because I love to help people, I love to help people, so I'm gonna help you. I love to help people, so I'm gonna help you. You know, if you want to sell stuff on Vinted, I will be your girl to tell you how to, and also how to ship it. And yeah, I don't know where to put the ring light so you can see me. Say hi to my tripod. Wait, let's see if my tripod actually does something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like if you haven't already, and do your thing with this. Like, let's get this video successful, because my views have been going down, unfortunately, but we always can go back up, you know what I mean? I've been consistent and I have been trying for 5 years, so almost 5 years. I've been doing YouTube for quite a long time now, and I've seen progress, but I haven't, but I'll get there. Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. A few days ago, when I say a few days ago, I mean yesterday, I was walking to my local corner shop because someone had bought the goggles that I had put on Vinted, and I was so gassed. I was so happy. Look at me. I was walking with my little Crocs and I packaged it in this Amazon like cardboard box, and I was walking to the corner shop confident because Vinted, I had made my first sale and Vinted had told me how to do it. And yeah, if you're in the UK, Premier is a good place to ship stuff. Hi guys, so I've sold it with YODEL and I'm going to keep the receipt, my first thing. Success. I'm feeling good. As you could tell, I was very much happy, as I should. Like, I had made my first sale. I was feeling successful. I was happy that I'm going to get money in my bank. Let me do a fit check real quick. I can't be asked to get my tripod, but... So, we have this hoodie right here. And I have grey joggers. And I work with Uggs. Hold up. I could do this way better. This is the damn outfit. My phone's cracked, so... that happened, so that's why I can't do this. But anyway, I wore this with it. Let's get comfortable. Alright, can you guys see me? Alright, I feel like you want to get closer. I want to talk about, I got my first sale on Vinted. But anyway, so I got my first sale in Vinted and I want to show you how to do it. So, if you're selling something that you already bought from, what's it called? Imagine you bought something from Shein and you want to resell it on Vinted because you don't F with the thing anymore. What you want to do, yeah, is go to the Shein description, because you bought the thing from Shein because you probably read the description, right? So use that description that you got from the website you bought that thing and use it for your description. I'm telling you guys tips that I do not do, but this is good tips. And another tip that I do not do, which is dumb, is look at the price of the thing you bought it for. Imagine you bought something for £5, sell it for £6, literally like that. Even though you don't want it anymore, because some people be like, let me sell it for cheaper because I had it for a while and I don't really want it anymore. But no, sell it for more. The thing that I sold here was not actually, I didn't actually buy it, so I made profit or something that I spent £0 on, not a single penny. But what you want to do is make sure to have a good description, make sure to have the right details. Like, have a good description, but that don't mean lie. Like, keep it a bean. Another thing that I want to say, have a good description, set a good price, make sure the shipping ain't that much, make sure that you weigh it, you know, the weight. Make sure to be nice to the person that's buying it. If someone asks you questions, ask them questions too. Say, oh, do you want this? For me, the person that actually asked about the thing that I was going to sell, which was goggles, I gave them more pictures. I gave them more description of what they can do to it. You have to make them feel confident about getting it. But just be nice, be friendly, communicate well, and just trust that you're doing the right thing and you're going to sell something good. And when you sell it, what you want to do is use YODEL. If you're in the UK, YODEL. If you go to YODEL, it tells you all the stores that are close to you. And the thing that you're selling, yeah, you just put it in a box. I recommend doing cardboard box if you want to keep it safe. What you want to do is put it in a box, and then you want to go to your YODEL store. Mine is Premier. And I'm going to show you a clip of when I went to go sell the thing. But you want to go to YODEL store. And in the YODEL store, you want to give them the cardboard thing they've packaged, and they print off the location and barcode of the person's purchase, and they stick it on and they sell it. And yeah, and then after that you can actually track, you can start tracking where the parcel is and the person can track it to. But yeah, that's the tips I want to give you, how to sell and how to ship with Vinted. Vinted sponsor me. But that's it for today's video, honestly. You know, I just want to get some content out, and I'm just like, I love helping people, so let me help you guys out. Let me help you guys be business people if you want to be. But anyway, that's all for today. I hope you have a good day. Bless you. Love the Lord, appreciate the Lord. The real reason I actually sold and Vinted is because the Lord had my side. The Lord helps me to do all things. So thanks for watching.